Hey everybody, welcome to Executive Zone. My name is Edwin Zapata. Today we're going to be going over how to add music to your video to give it that extra edge, especially if you're trying to do your own TikToks. So let's get cracking. Alright, so first I wanted to welcome you to the channel. If you're not already following me on social media, make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Be careful for scammers pretending to be me. I only have one account on each platform, executive_zone, exactly the way you see it right there. And if you're looking to build your social media, to build brand awareness, make sure that you reach out to me on Instagram and join our members only group where we help build people with their brands, their social media to get more clients and more reach out there organically without having to pay for ads. If you haven't already, make sure that you check out my other video on how to get started with your video editing app. The app that we will be using is called InShot. It's totally free. There is a paid version and then a pro version. This is not a sponsored video. This is just the app that I use. I do use the paid version. It's like $5. I believe it's worth it. In the previous video, I show you how you can use it for free and get rid of the watermark if you're creative enough. So this video, we're going to show you how to take sounds and music from places like YouTube and TikTok and put it in your videos so that you can give things that extra edge so you can use it on multiple platforms. So if you haven't watched a previous video, I'm gonna assume that you go. I'm gonna encourage you to go watch it because this video won't make sense unless you've watched that already. So let's say you want to make a video. You recorded yourself on your phone, on your device, your camcorder, whatever, and you want to edit it, but you want to put the sound. Maybe it's from TikTok, maybe it's from YouTube. For this example, we're going to use TikTok as an example. Maybe when you download a video, it has other sounds in it, but you want the actual sound and not the one with the added sounds. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to TikTok, okay? And let's say, for example, this is the TikTok that has a sound that you want to use, okay? Um, Make sure that you follow my guy here, Sam. He's a top 10 in all of Canada fitness trainer. Awesome guy. He put me in the best shape of my life. So if you're not following him on TikTok or social media, make sure that you are. And if you're looking for an awesome health and wellness fitness plan, that is the guy you got to reach out to. So let's say this is the video. You like it and you want to utilize the sound. Where is that? You're going to click on this sound. Okay? So you're going to click on this sound. I'm going to press play. We're going to go through everything together because I recorded this for you guys. So this is the video. You like it, you're gonna go there. When you get to a sound, you want to make sure that it has lots of likes already. So that one has 1.2 million. This one has 260,000. This one has 3.3 million. And then you keep going, 300,000, 400,000. And you got to make sure that they have lots, like more than 10,000. You want to make sure that they have more than 10,000 likes and that the dates are recent. If they are within the last few days, it's even better for you. Here, let me pause this and go back a quick second. You want to make sure that the videos, if they were done recently in the last few days, in the last week, that means you know that this sound is trending. If it's in the last month or so, it means it's still okay. But you want to make sure that you have that the video itself has over 100 and over 100,000 videos made from it. So let me put my face there so you can see. It would be right here. You want to make sure that it has over 100,000. If it has 10,000, 50,000, it could still be fresh and it could still do well. You want to see what kind of traction this sound is getting, the videos that are using it are getting, because there could be 50,000 videos that have been done and all of these videos are getting like hundreds of thousands of views or millions of views, and that could be good for you because you can jump on that train. So now what you want to do, where is it? Right here. So okay, so now you're ready. This is the sound that you want to use. On your phone, you're going to screen record. If you don't know how to screen record, you're going to have to Google that. On iPhone, on the top right, you swipe down and then the little 3 red dots. As you can see on my screen here, it's got the 3 little dots. You're going to screen record and then you're going to press play right over here. Right there. You're going to press play and you're going to screen record the whole thing. So we're going to do it together. We're going to screen record. Okay, cool. We did it. We screen recorded it. Now we have it saved. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take that. You're going to go to your camera roll. Make sure that it's there. You're going to open up your InShot, your editing app. You know, check the video, make sure everything is good. So this is the video that we're using. Let me get my mouse out of here. You want to turn the volume all the way down on the clips that you have in there because you don't want those to interfere. You're going to go to the front of the videos. Then you're going to add the screen record that you just did. So you're going to look for it. You're going to add it. Boom, here it is. Here's a screen record. You're going to fast forward and you're going to look for where you just press play on that sound. You're going to split the scene, cut out what you don't need from before. You can see me doing it right here. See? And then I'm going to delete that because I don't need that. I'm going to find where the play starts. And then I'm watching where it goes. All right, once I find it, I cut it, remove what I don't need, so that the sound starts right when I press play. Okay, see, that's where it loops, so I can cut out the rest of the screen record because we don't need that. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to extract the sound from the video. So you're going to press the little volume thing. Now it's extracted. You can see the two. You're going to move the sound over to the other clip so that it has nothing to do with this clip anymore. Now we're going to condense this all the way to nothing because then we can delete it. You can see the purple at the bottom. It's right here. So we know that it's on this clip. As long as you can see the purple, you know that it's still in the video. Now we adjust it. We move it over to the beginning. Line it up, cut out the loop. Make sure it's okay. Cool, so that sounds good. Now we just got to modify our video to make sure that it lines up with the purple down here because that's all the sound that we have. So now we cut the video. You can edit it so that the sounds transition with the cuts of the song, however you like it. I'm just doing this quick. I moved it around, moved the one video over and then overlapped the sound. Boom, here we go. So that's it. That's it. So now we have it. It's done. Congratulations. Now you're going to go over to TikTok. That's me waving at you. Hello. You're going to find the sound. Let me pause this. In case some of you are lost because you probably didn't watch or pay attention or don't remember the previous video, if we rewind back, you'll see that here it was recorded a certain way, like a big square. And then here in TikTok, it's now like phone length. Now it's like different. In my previous video, I show you how to cut that out so that it's like laid out for the phone. Because that edit was done on my iPad, that could have been done on your laptop or computer. You want to make sure that it's cropped for your phone device because that's how TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook or Meta Reels work best. So you want to make sure that you did it to 9:16. Watch that previous video. It'll be more in depth there. So I just want to make sure you don't miss that, because that could really, really make a big difference with the viewership on your video. Okay, good. So we're happy. We like it. We put it. You want to make sure that you lower the volume of the added sound. You want to make sure that you lower the volume of the added sound and keep your original, because you edited your video according to your sound. So for all you know, by you keeping the added sound, even though it's the exact same sound, by you keeping the added sound, the timing might be a little off of your video. So where you might have a transition, but the added sound, the transition is at a different timing. It might be like bam instead of bam. So the timing might be off. So make sure in this case, you keep your original audio, because that's from your original video that you recorded, and you lower the added sound. So now it's only your volume, you had full control. All right, unless in the videos where maybe you're talking, then that's where you add the sound, and then you can modify that. That's a topic for another time. We'll stick to this so it's simple. Now that you've done that, you go here. This is just a little extra for me to show you. If you're going to do titles and covers, you write whatever it is. You can see how it gets grayed out. Anything outside of that gray, you're not going to see it on your profile. Put it in a corner somewhere nice and clean. Don't put it in this corner, because it's going to be blocked. You can put it in the top left, top right, middle, bottom right. I don't recommend the bottom left, because then it will be hidden by your viewers. Also, you want to pick a decent cover so that when you select this, that's what people are going to see on your profile. And if you don't want to post it, you can go to drafts and you leave it in your drafts. So I hope that that was helpful in that regard, because you can keep them in your drafts. If you access your TikTok from your web browser, you can actually time when your TikToks will be posted. So you can time the entire week this way. You can dedicate one day to making like 3 posts a day sort of thing. So you can do like 15, and then you have 3 posts ready for the day, for the week. So if you record 15 in a day, you're good for the week. You have them timed, and you don't even have to think about TikTok the rest of the week. Now it's working for you, generating leads. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any comments, let me know down below. If you want to see something else, feel free to reach out. If you're in our members group, make sure you reach out to me on our builders section. If you have any further questions, you can reach me directly. You already know how to contact me because you're in our members only group. If not, and you're just stopping by, reach out to me on Instagram, executive_zone, and TikTok. Say hello. And until next time, my name is Edwin Zapata. This is Executive Zone. Hope that was helpful. Keep smiling. Don't let anybody piss you off.